everyone, in this episode of Ziflow Pro, we're going to take a look at insights, core metrics focused on creative production that can help you and your team improve processes over time. Let's take a closer look. The Insights tab is located in the top left of your Ziflow dashboard. Once you open the tab, you'll see an overview of the data collected throughout the entire account. The information you'll see includes the number of versions you've created within a selected period of time, the number of proofs that have been completed, the average number of versions it takes to complete a proof, average turnaround time, and how often your proofs are late or miss a deadline. When you select one of the tiles, the graph will update to represent the selected values, both for your selected period and previous period of time. There are a number of options to filter this data by, including by proof owner, folder, reviewer, or any custom property field you've created in your account.